go through. I noticed this Fresh from Switzerland, it is having global success, and rightly so. You're on the forefront of so much coming through. I know beauty is a big deal for you when it comes to makeup, when it comes to skincare, when it comes to your health, and you are passionate to share that with our Aussies. And I know they thank you because the phone lines just keep ringing out. So for you at home, if you want to be able to get hold of this technology, it's something that I cannot go as